Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dallas Warner, and I had the honor of serving with the 32nd Engineers 20 years ago. I asked for just a quick moment today for 3 reasons to say thank you. First, to my brothers from the 32nd and Alpha Company, it is an honor to be with you guys again after 20 years. It's really hard to believe it's been that long. You know, time changes a lot of things, but one thing it doesn't change is a bond that you build when you're deployed with your brothers. And that's exactly what organizations like the American Legion represent. Veterans continuing to serve long after they've come home. The American Legion, it isn't just a building. It's a place where veterans can find people who understand them. The Legion is also there for veterans navigating VA benefits, for military families, for youth programs, for honoring those we've lost, and for making sure the next generation understands the sacrifices that gave us the freedoms that we enjoy today. Those things don't always make headlines. They're done quietly, year after year, by volunteers who simply believe it's the right thing to do. When we learned that the Legion needed a new roof, we knew we wanted to help. Not because it's a roofing project, but because it's an investment in an organization that has invested in veterans in this community for decades. At First American, we have an incredible team that makes opportunities like this possible every single day. It's our privilege to present the Onalaska American Legion Post 336 with this donation of $53,000 towards a new roof.